Oh, hello there. Chrissy with Rhythm Bird Music here. I teach drum lessons at the Music Monastery, Nashville, looper and Ableton lessons. And as part of the drumming fundamentals, I do a little bit of shaker lessons. The subtlety. Yeah. Anyway, so there's that. There's drumming. I'm really enjoying seeing people's confidence grow with their practice of rhythm. Nobody's going to be, perfect. There's no perfect in music. There's on the wave and off the wave. If you like to surf, if you like to get in the water, you're on the wave, you're off the wave. It will always happen. You'll never just stay on the wave all the time. And once you accept that, it gives you freedom because you don't have to be perfect. There's no perfect. But the muscle memory, the repetition, the practice, the meter, to have a relationship with the meter. Your heartbeat is your meter. Regardless of if you're playing music, walking down the street, or whatever, you have a rhythm in your heart going. And the BPM, the beats per minute, might be fast. It could be slow. It could be linked to your breath. So things. Ciao for now.